Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial you are learning WordPress. So in this video I'm going to show you about appearance and then widgets. Widget is one of the very important part in WordPress where the drag and drop works. So without having programming knowledge you can adjust your website and change the content from here easily. For example, in our case you can see it is showing different sections in the right side, so you can change from here. For example, if you don't want to display search, simply drag it and search is on here. Currently it's showing here, but if you refresh then it will be disappeared here. So apart from that, for example, you don't want to this archive, so just drag it and then refresh the page and archive is gone. Similarly, meta and then recent comments, you don't want to show only the three things are displaying here, so only these three things will display in the right side. So apart from that, if you want to display some other things also, then for example tag cloud, okay, if you want to display this tag cloud then just drag it. So let's, and not only that, you can shift it up and down, you know easily. For example, I want to display this tag cloud in the bottom, then it can be displayed here. Now just click on this and you can see these tags. So what are these tags? These are the tags that we had created in terms of adding some pages. If you remember, we had added Kolkata news, and in that section we had added these different tags, so that's why it's displaying here. Okay, and so there are different things here. For example, if you want to display some custom message, HTML custom message, then you can just drag here and say uh, new date of product launch will be displayed, announced soon. So this one will display in the right section. You can see. Okay, so without having the knowledge of programming, the admin can change the content and display in the front section. If you're a PHP developer, then you know that how difficult it is to maintain this. In case of, you suppose your manager wants to display, ask you to make a system which will display, the admin can add the news and these things will display in the front. So what you will do, you will have to create a table, then you will have to create a form, and then you will have to give a update option. So this is a long process, but as you can see, WordPress provides really very easy process. But in this case, there is one problem. The problem is that if the admin wants to use editor here, so in this case, adding the editor is not possible. You know, so if you want to use editor, in that case, there is an option. So what is the option? Just go to Google, just download uh, Black Studio Genius GNMC widgets. Okay, Black Studio widget download. Simply we can download from here also. Just go to plugin section and install plugin, and then right here, just click on add new, and then click here Black Studio. Okay, so this is the Black Studio. Okay, just click on install. It's finally installed, and then just click on activate.
After activating, go to appearance in the widget section, and now you can see here somewhere visual editor. Okay, so just drag it and put here. Now you can see the editor has come here. For example, same thing, new date will be announced soon. So the admin can change, make it bold, italic, and apart from that, the admin can also add images and do other stuffs also from here. Okay, so it's easier, very easy using this widget. Just click on save, and then you can see, okay, it's came here. Okay, so as you can see, widget is really very handy as well as powerful in WordPress. Okay, so now let's see some other steps also which are important. Here, menu navigation. Okay, okay, while we are talking about this widget section, okay, so now suppose uh, so I will show you that in the next video, that how to create a new widget and display in your theme. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.